Hi guys, I'm in Market of Hope. So today I came here to see some beautiful view from here. So here I get a good view here. Here I got a very big and special things. I am happy with this. So I'm gonna show you the scene. Okay. Okay. Here this is the scene. Yeah, this is called Vanzyang. Called Vanzyang. There is salamanders are there. This is famous for salamander. At the British time, they are using to they are doing here the boating over here. There is one thing is there. Did you see that one? Okay, I will make the zoom. Just a minute. That one, this one. This is the island. Point. Yeah. Here we are. Me and my friend is here. Me and Kistu. His name is Kistu. Hi. This is Kistu, my friend. I know. I know. See the view.
भिडियो रेकर्ड गर्दैछ क्या उसले त
भिडियो रेकर्ड गर्दै